Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Today I am playing Minecraft and we're gonna be working on the DBZ server. So let's get right into it, okay? Loading. Okay. So we were just working on the humans and Saiyans, well, mostly. You can wear the head if you want. I know. Okay, let's go. I think she's still working on the Namekians and all of these guys right here. So I don't know what we're gonna work on today. Let's see. What? Oh, whoa! That was a major lag out. You guys are gonna be able to fight us. So, and if you click no, I say, ha ha, he's scared, run along, weakling. And then if you click yes, guess he isn't scared of us. Let's show him why we are feared. I think. I don't know what to say about it. Okay. But we made the Ultra Instinct form in Super Saiyan, but like the Super Saiyan does give you power up. It's just you're wearing the head. Like you can do a little cool animation. I'm Goku Black in here. Crazy Zama who? I think it's Zama. I don't remember his name. But I'm in my Ultra Instinct form. That's what you literally you can just get the boots. Oh, this is like I had faster boots when I was making my Sonic server. But we are actually gonna be building something, so let's build. Actually, we're gonna be building right here a spaceship. Remember from Dragon Ball Z where they had a little bit of a spaceship? Yeah, so we're gonna be building that spaceship. I better take these off. Build that. 3 blocks. Let's see, 3 blocks right here. Then we build right here. Let's build the surroundings of the spaceship. There's one surrounding for the leg. Let's keep building right here. Actually, could we? Nah. Now we're gonna be building right here. Let's keep building. There, now we can add that, that. Which I'm actually gonna. This is like a little spaceship where you can heal too. Because we're gonna be adding the healing liquid right here. So let's add the healing liquid. Let's get some water. I think the water is actually in here. Yeah, there it is. Yeah, and I don't need all these Goku heads. So now we need to get the glass. There. You should make it like can't make it too big. So let's add the healing water. Warning. So when the bubbles are fully down, you heal. Now let's add the spaceship looking. Okay. Now, there we go. Now I need to take actually a little bit out. Then you can put a ladder up here. This will teleport you to Namek when me and Crazy are finished, but he's not in the game right now. The server. So I forgot where the ladders are right in front of me. So you take these ladders, get up here, to healing water, perfect. There, the little spaceship's done. Spaceship dynamic. Leave it there. That should be enough. And let's see. Let's see. Let's go over here. Guys. Sorry about that. Let's see. Keep adding. Kill some stuff. Well, that's what we did for this video. Building a spaceship for Namek. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I sure did. Wait. I sure did. Goodbye! Dab.